Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any kind of issues you've been having on your Xbox Series X. If you're trying to share your content outside of Xbox and it's not allowing you, well, this could be because your privacy settings are set to restrictive. Maybe you're on like a child account or something like that. But let's go to settings, go to general, go to online safety and family, go to privacy and online safety, go to Xbox privacy, then go to custom. So you might have it set to like child account or something like that. But let's go to view details and customize. Then we can go to sharing outside of Xbox. Others can share your content to social networks. We can set this to everybody, friends, or block. So make sure this is allowed there. You can share outside of Xbox, share your content to experiences outside of the Xbox network. So we want to make sure this is allowed. Otherwise, we won't be able to share outside Xbox. We can also go down to game content, and we have the option to allow captures to be uploaded to Xbox. We want to make sure that is on. Others can see your captures on Xbox, so you can decide if everybody on the internet can see your captures, your friends, or only you. Then you can see uploads with the community curations. We can decide if we want that, live stream gameplay, and you can share content made using connected camera. You're going to allow it right here. So just make sure you have the appropriate settings on, otherwise you probably won't be able to share outside of Xbox. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.